Hello, my lovely people. I hope you all are doing great. So, in today's topic, we're gonna talk about a hair equipment which I have just received recently. But before that, I wanna talk about hair structure. No matter what your hair structure is, whether it is straight, wavy, or curly, they must look presentable, they must look healthy without any dandruff or dryness or hair fall. They must be gorgeous, just like you. Actually, my hair used to be 90% straight and 10% wavy from bottom, but then I got my hair straightening done, and since then my hair become completely straight. Actually, I just love my straight hair. It goes well with any outfit, especially the western one. But there are certain occasions in which the straight hair can feel bit boring. And to get rid of that boredom, I have just ordered Agaro rotating hair curler. Outer packaging of the product is very sturdy and of good quality as well. Let's just take a look inside. From inside, this is the whole unit. Let's talk about the wire. The wire is of approx 2 meter, which is really good, and it's tangle free, which can make your styling very easy. The cord can rotate up around 360 degrees, so yeah, that's also a very good point. If we talk about the barrel is of 32 mm, which means you can make your curl 32 mm thicker. A little clamp is given over here, and if you put your hair inside, it will start rotating. The weight of the product is not that heavy. You can handle it easily. And now if we talk about the button specification here, first of all, it has an on and off button, and the button quality is really very good. Above power button, there is a display where you can see the heat settings. The heat ranges goes up to 120 degree to 230 degree very easily. Above that, Agaro branding is given. It has two arrow button, a left arrow button and a right arrow button. According to your section of hair, you can press the button correspondingly. Above that, there is a reset button to reset all these settings over here. So this is the outer specification. I have told you everything about it. Now let's just experiment with it. Okay, so I'm sectioning my hair into two equal halves. And after that, again, I will take a smaller section from my right side. Okay, so now I am going to put my hair inside this clamp. It should be straight. And now I'm going to press the right arrow button here. And just wait for few seconds, and now you can detach this thing. Okay, wow, see. Good part of this product is when your hair get curled, it produces a beep sound. It will be 5 times. By that you will know that your curls are ready. Let's do another section. Put your hair in the clamp, straight your band, and rotate and press the right button here. Detach it. Wow. Oh my god, see, nice curls are ready. I'm going to show you on my left side. Oh, what? Yaar, ah, I got burned. Take section. Ouch. Put it in the clamp, and now you have to press the right button. The same loop goes on and on and on. Nice and crisp curls are ready. These curls are just best whether you want to go for a party or for a shoot, or you just want to have fun with your hair. These are just effortlessly amazing. So yeah, I think I have told you everything about this Agaro hair rotator curler. If any question, please comment below. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. मिलती हूँ next video में. Till then, take care. Bye.